Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the Dyson supersonic professional hairdryer which I got. So it's £239.99 for the professional one. In the box you get different attachments. You get a diffuser, a wide nozzle, soothing attachment, and a smaller nozzle. In the professional one you also get a spare filter, so when the other one's been cleaned you can slip this on and still use on clients. And in the box you also get a heat protective mat. And you also get an instruction book. Spare. This attachment didn't come in the box, but I bought it so I can have another attachment. This is a comb attachment usually used for African being hair. All the fittings are magnetic. They are quite sturdy on this, they don't really come off. The cable is 3 meters long. It has 3 speed settings. Four heat settings. It's really powerful. You also got a cold shot button on the side. Which will lock in style. So the diffuser is for like mostly curly hair or to make hair curlier. I used on my hair last night, but as you can see, I need to have a perm again, so it hasn't really locked in style that well when I use my hair mousse. So usually if you're wetting hair, I'll slip this on and obviously dry the hair with it first, get rid of like bulk, then of the wet hair. Then I'll use the wide nozzle to direct the heat in certain places. Soothing nozzle is really good for sensitive scalps, as it doesn't direct as much heat as using with no attachment. So what I'm going to do now is give you a demonstration with one of my blocks with the wet hair and use it on that.